the area forecast. Good morning, it's now time for the shipping forecast issued by the Met Office on behalf of the Maritime and Coast Guard Agency at 05:05 on Saturday the 7th of April 2012. The general synopsis at midnight: lows southeast Iceland 2009 and Trafalgar 1013, both losing their identities. The area forecast for the next 24 hours: Viking north at 0, south at 0, northerly 4 or 5, becoming variable 3 or 4, then becoming southerly 5 or 6 later in West Viking. Wintry showers, good, occasionally poor in Viking. 40s, Cromarty, 4th, Tyne, Dogger, north backing south 4 or 5, but becoming variable 3 at times. Occasional rain, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Fisher, German Bight, north 5 or 6, becoming variable 3 or 4. Wintry showers, then fair, mainly good. Humber, Thames, north backing south later 4 or 5, but becoming variable 3 for a time. Showers, rain later in west, moderate or good. Dover, White, Portland, northwest 3 or 4, veering north or northeast 4 or 5, then backing west or southwest 3 or 4 later. Showers, moderate or good. Plymouth, north or northwest 4 or 5, becoming variable 3, then becoming west 3 or 4 later, mainly fair, good. Biscay, cyclonic 4 at first in southeast, otherwise northeasterly 5 or 6, backing northerly or northwesterly 4 or 5. Showers, thundery in south, good, occasionally poor at first in south. Fitzroy, northerly or northeasterly 5 to 7 at first in south, otherwise 4 or 5. Showers, moderate or good. Seoul, Lundy, Fastnet, north or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in Seoul and Lundy. Showers, moderate or good. Irish Sea, Shannon, Rockall, Malin, north or northwest, backing west later 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times. Occasional drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Hebrides, west or northwest 4 or 5, increasing 6 at times. Rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Bailey, west or northwest, backing southwest later 5 to 7. Drizzle, rain later, good, occasionally poor. Ferrar, variable 3 or 4, becoming cyclonic 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Faroes, cyclonic 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, becoming southwest later. Rain at times, good, occasionally poor. Southeast Iceland, northwesterly 5 to 7, becoming variable 4, then becoming southwesterly 4 or 5 later. Rain or drizzle, good, occasionally poor. Now the weather reports for coastal stations at 0400. Tyree automatic, north by west 4, 27 miles, 1014, rising slowly. Stornoway, southwest 1, 24 miles, 1014, falling slowly. Lerwick, northwest by north 1, 24 miles, 1013, falling more slowly. Lucas, north-northeast 2, 16 miles, 1014, rising slowly. Bridlington, north by east 3, 1011, rising slowly. Sandetti light vessel automatic, west-northwest 3, 2 miles, 1010, falling slowly. Jersey, north 3, 13 miles, 1012, falling slowly. Channel light vessel automatic, northwest 3, 11 miles, 1012, falling more slowly. Scilly automatic, north-northwest 4, 8 miles, 1014, falling more slowly. Valencia, north by east 4, 27 miles, 1017, falling slowly. Ronaldsway, north-northwest 4, 8 miles, 1011, falling slowly. Malin Head, north by west 5, 15 miles, 1015, rising slowly. Now here's the weather forecast for the inshore waters of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, valid for the following 24 hours, issued by the Met Office at 0500. The general situation: various fronts will bring patchy rain and drizzle to the United Kingdom during the next 48 hours, especially to northern areas. A west to southwesterly airflow will gradually develop during Sunday as an area of low pressure becomes established near Iceland. From Cape Wrath to Rattray Head, including Orkney, variable 3 or 4 becoming south or southwest 4 or 5, varying west or northwest 3 or 4. Rain at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Rattray Head to Berwick-upon-Tweed, north or northeast 3 or 4, backing southwest 4 or 5, veering west 3 or 4 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Berwick-upon-Tweed to Whitby, north or northeast 3 or 4, occasionally 5 at first, backing south or southwest, then veering west later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Whitby to Gibraltar Point, northeast, backing southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 3 at first, veering west 3 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Gibraltar Point to North Foreland, northerly or northeasterly 4 or 5, becoming variable 2 or 3, then becoming southerly or southwesterly 4 or 5 later. Rain or showers, moderate or good, occasionally poor. North Foreland to Selseybill, northwesterly 3 or 4, veering northeasterly 4 or 5, then backing southwesterly 3 or 4 later. Rain or showers, then fair, moderate or good. Selseybill to Lyme Regis, northwest, veering northeast, then backing west 3 or 4. Rain or showers, then fair, moderate or good. Lyme Regis to Land's End, including the Isles of Scilly, northerly or northwesterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 in west, becoming variable 2 at times in east, mainly fair, mainly good. Land's End to St David's Head, including the Bristol Channel, northerly or northwesterly 3 or 4, occasionally 5 in west, becoming variable 2 at times in Bristol Channel, mainly fair, moderate or good. St David's Head to Great Orme Head, including St George's Channel, north or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 near headlands, backing west or northwest 3 or 4 later, mainly fair, moderate or good. Great Orme Head to the Mull of Galloway, north or northeast 3 or 4, backing west or northwest 4 or 5, occasional rain or drizzle, moderate or good. Isle of Man, northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first, veering northeast 3 or 4 for a time, mainly fair, moderate or good. Loch Foyle to Carnarvon Loch, northerly or northwesterly 4 or 5, but decreasing 3 for a time. Rain or drizzle at times, moderate or good. Mull of Galloway to Mull of Kintyre, including the Firth of Clyde and North Channel, northerly or northwesterly 4 or 5, occasionally 6 at first in North Channel, but becoming variable 3 for a time. Rain or drizzle at times, moderate or good. Mull of Kintyre to Ardnamurchan American Point, north or northwest 4 or 5, occasionally 3 at first, backing west later. Rain or drizzle at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Ardnamurchan American Point to Cape Wrath, variable 3 or 4, becoming west or southwest 4 or 5, occasionally 6 near Sutherland, then veering northwest for a time later. Rain or drizzle at times, moderate or good, occasionally poor. Shetland Isles, variable 2 or 3, becoming south or southeast 4 or 5, occasionally 6 later. Rain or wintry showers, moderate or good. And that completes the shipping bulletin. We'll be back with the general forecast in just a few minutes' time.